Hello and welcome to Technocademia again. Today we will talk about the AdSense ads not counting problem. I just received inquiries from people on social media and on my upper profile as well. They're asking for help in a recent issue from Google AdSense that their ads clicks are not counting in their Google AdSense accounts and their earning is dropping down day by day. So I just decided to make a video on this issue and inform all of you about the issue, and I just came up with some solutions as well. Uh, First of all, I will just go through uh, the issues, the reasons that exist on those sites. Some of the sites I have just researched. Some clients send me their sites and they ask to check what's the problem exactly. And I just found something interesting. I just noticed one thing. There is the first reason is ads overflow and ads overlapping. Okay, uh, what does exactly it means that the ads overflow? I mean, there could be lots of ads on a single page. Look here, it could be look like this. Okay, you're noticing the simple ad format is this one. Okay, so this is the clear ad formatting, like you may have noticing one ad on a page or two ads on a page, but the ads will having a specific dimension and there will be specific laying and specific things. uh, the size will be fit and there will be no other ads uh, in a specific distance. But if you look at this, there are almost three ads in a single place with no distance, no proper size, and these ads are overflowing and overlapping each other. If you see, this ad is going to hide an area of this one, and this ad is going to hide some area of this one, and this ad is going to hide some area of this one. So exactly, it's mean overlapping. The ads are overlapping with each other. If you have inserted the ads, the ad codes manually or automatically through AdSense or through tools, and you may have just inserted the ads multiple times in one page, and you may have inserted lots of ads unit in one page, and the ads could be overlapping with each other, or there will be overflow of the ads on a specific page. And if users come to that page, which ad they will going to click? For example, if you are a user, look here. What will you do if you are going through this type of overflow? You may have just to click one. If you are clicking this one, then you are almost clicking all of them. If you are going to click one of them, you are going to click all of them. So how can a user, a real user, click three ads at a time? So just think that Google AdSense is very clever and they know everything. So if you are making lots of units of your ads and inserting it on your website, it could be a problem. AdSense will not count any of the click on such ads and on such pages. Okay, so this was the first reason I noticed on some websites. Okay, let's go through the second reason. Okay, more ads and less content. Mm, I have just mentioned this reason several times in my other videos that sometimes there could be very less content and the ads is going to overlap with the content, and user specifically cannot figure out that where is the content and where is the ads. Okay, and specifically tool sites are just doing this. They are just going to place an ad with no specific size, no lining between them. Okay, no distance between the content and the advertising banner. Okay, if you are a user and visit a tool website like APK websites, like other tool sites, then you will see is download this file or tool or app. You will see like a content like this, and mm, exactly below that you will see the advertising banner, and the ad could be look like a content. Okay, and exactly below the ad you will see content, the download button. So sometimes user just going to confuse between the ad and the content. User cannot figure out exactly what is the where is the content and where is the ad. So it's just exploitation and manipulation. Like these sites and these people are going to manipulate or exploit the user, and Google don't like it, so Google won't show the ads, and sometimes Google will not count the clicks on these ads, because these are accidental clicks. These are not real clicks. These are not clicks someone make it by their will, but these are accidental clicks, and Google don't count accidental clicks. If you are a tool site owner and you are facing this problem specifically, then you should check your site. You should check analyze your ads, and just look if you are doing this, then stop this. uh, Here you can add, like you can tell the user that this is the advertisement exactly. Okay, for example, you are going to add your this is the advertisement about the ad. You can add this is uh, an advertisement. Okay, you can write this here, and you can write the other content here, download this file. Okay, you can place the ad like this. If you did not, if you don't do, you will facing the problem of ads clicks not counting. Okay, and third reason that I have just researched, the bots traffic. People are using bots to send traffic to their websites. People are buying bots traffic. People are selling bots traffic, and they said that I will send entire one country's traffic to your website in a cheap price, and so on, so on. These things are just a violation of Google AdSense policies, and Google will not count the amount of clicks clicked through these bots and things like that. If you are clicking even on yourself, Google understand. And if you are doing the loading things, then loading is no more exist in this real world, because Google know if you are visiting from an VPN. VPN cannot hide your IP. I will show you in another video that how people are just trying to exploit the Google AdSense and other platforms like this, but they can't. They Google AdSense and these Google is a big company, and they cannot exploit them, but they are trying, and Google catch them, and Google is penalized all other as well. Okay, so if you are sometimes your competitors can send you bots traffic. For example, if you are working in a same niche and your competitor is jealous of you, they can send bots traffic to your website, and they want you definitely to hit by Google AdSense, and they want exactly to drop your revenue. They can send you bots traffic. If you are facing the issue specifically in this regard, then you can do one thing. You can do just go to Cloudflare. You may know cloudflare.com. Okay, let's go to the Cloudflare organization, and in the Cloudflare organization, you make an account here, and in an account, go to login, then select your domain. You may have added the domains, or you can add them when you create an account in the Cloudflare. Okay, when you select your domain, then go select the security or privacy section in your account on the left side. Okay, then you will see an option, click bots. Okay, just click that bots option. You may see bots or bot. Okay, click that bot option, activate the bots fighting mode. Okay, yeah, bot fighting system. You will see something like this: bot fighting system, or bots fighting system, or bots fighting algorithm, and things like that. You have to activate this, and the click counts will start from exactly that time. And here's another solution: if you are facing these specific problem, like overlapping the ads or overflow of ads, then I will suggest you this solution. Okay, this you have to disable auto ads, just deactivate them. Okay, and go and remove all the ads units created manually or inserted manually. Go this, just remove all the ads codes and disable auto ads. Then uh, place one unit after 48 hours. After 48 hours, go to your website, your AdSense account, and create an ad unit and place it on your website. And the ad unit should be manual. It should not be auto ads. You have to select a type of manual ads and just copy that code and paste only one unit after 48 hours, then see results. And this will slowly, you will have to increasing the ads units time to time, and the result will just going to increase and your revenue. Okay, if you have any question regarding this issue, if you are facing any technical issue in these things, if you can't understand what to do, if you can't do it by yourself, then you can ask me in the comment section, or just directly contact me on my Upwork profile and on my WhatsApp number as well. Thank you for watching.